Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Abdul Malik and I'm a data analyst. On this channel, I post tips and resources to help your data analyst journey and to help you become a data analyst faster. In today's video, I would be talking about some tools data analysts used and what they basically use them for. If you want to become a data analyst or you're planning to become a data analyst, one thing you would want to consider learning is some basic statistics. As for me, I have statistical background because I'm currently studying statistics and I'm in my final year. But as for you who don't have any statistical background or does not know anything about statistics, it is very easy. You only need to learn some basic statistics like the mean, median, mode, and some statistical distributions, and also some charts and what those charts are basically used for. The reason why I say this is because you, as a data analyst, you would want to know the right chart to use to present a particular data. So the second tool you would want to consider learning is spreadsheet, Excel. Excel is one of the most used tool in the industry. It is used by big companies and big data analysts. Everybody use Excel. Analysts use Excel for organizing data, performing calculations, creating charts, analyzing information using formulas and tools like pivot tables. Excel is a tool that is very easy to learn. And on this channel, I would be posting some Excel tricks and some Excel tips for you to help you become a data analyst faster. The third tool you would want to consider learning is visualization tool. Visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, or some Excel cheat chart function. These tools are software data analysts use to turn data into visual formats like chart, graph, dashboard. It helps people easily understand trend, pattern, and insight in data without reading raw numbers. Visualization is what communicates your insight from a data. So as a data analyst, you would want to consider learning any visualization tool. But for me, I would recommend you learn Power BI first instead of because it is way more easier and it is way more used for business insight. So the fourth tool you would want to consider learning is database and SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a programming language used to manage and interact with database. It is used for storing and retrieving data from the database, updating and deleting records from the database, creating and managing database structures like tables and more, filtering and analyzing large datasets efficiently. Think of SQL as the language to talk directly to your data. So the fifth tool you would want to consider learning is any programming tool like Python or R. Python and R are programming language that data analysts use for cleaning and transforming data, performing statistical analysis, creating data visualization, building machine learning models, and automating data tasks. Python is popular for general purpose analysis and automation. R is preferred for advanced statistical and academic research. Even if you don't start here, eventually you will want to level up with Python. So now that I've broken down the most tools used as a data analyst, you don't need to learn everything at once. You just need to pick one, learn it, then after that you pick another one, you learn it. As for me, I'll be recommending you learn Excel first and you learn any visualization tool, but I would recommend you learn Power BI first. So let me know in the comment section the tool you want to learn first or the one you are currently learning. So if you like this video, please make sure you consider subscribing and like this video. See you in the next one.